Have you ever asked Siri or Alexa to play your favorite music? If yes, means you are interacting with artificial intelligence. AI for short. So today we are going to learn what is AI, how it works, and why it's such a big deal in the world. Artificial intelligence is computer science that both combines thinking and creativity, and also solving problems just like humans, us. In simple words, this is what computers are trained to make smart decisions, like solving a problem. It uses data, algorithms, and logic to solve all problems. Right now, most of the AI are designed to automation. That means doing tasks automatically, fast, secure, and more efficient without the help of humans. When you use a customer service chatbot, there is a living AI behind it. That AI understands your words and give you feedback determined of what question you have. In industries like robotics, AI is used for to handle jobs that are extremely dangerous for humans. These tasks can be like mixing chemicals that are toxic to humans. These types of intelligence are called artificial narrow intelligence, or AI for short. Narrow because it focuses on specifically one job, not entire job. AI focuses on entire job like solving problems, making quiz, and doing awesome things. Scientists also talk about other two AI types or intelligence types. They both are called uh, artificial general intelligence or AGI and artificial super intelligence. Yes, ASI. AGI is the next big step. It's when a machine can think, learn, and speak. It could make decisions, solve problems, and just like a human being, adapt to change on its own. We are not quite there. It's just a theory. Scientists are making this still. So artificial super intelligence or ASI for short. An idea about the future where machines became more intelligent. That is also still a theory, better than we do. Sounds exciting, right? And maybe a little scary. Now, let's look at some advantages and disadvantages of AI.